Dog bird in plank. So take your position, make yourself comfortable, nice triangle, everything straighten, straight back, fold and tap the foot with one arm. If you find it too easy, we can complicate it, we can modify it. So we're going to lift one arm and one leg at the same time, opposite arm and opposite leg, and it will become a more advanced version of this exercise. Exhale when you fold, inhale when you straighten. Keep everything straight and long. However, if this is too hard, you can always go back to a first version.